Hi. So I'm uploading my house tour. So I'm going to have a house tour. Lol. So I'm going here. Look at this. La 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 la. Oh. So this is my house tour. So let's first start. This is the sofa. It's the sofa. And this is the sofa, and this is the dining room. This is the sofa, and can I show you? This is the sofa in here, and this is my grandma eating, and I'm going. This is the hallway going to the rooms, and ta-da! Lol. So I'm going to the dining area. I'm gonna walk backwards. So this is the bar area. This is where my dad drinks. So this is the dining table, and this is where I watch TV with the TV. So boring. So wait for a minute, I need to go to my dog. So this is Katie. Katie. Look at Katie. She's so cute. Katie. So okay. So you want me to go outside, so I need to go outside first. I'm going to go outside in my house. So this is outside. It's so hot. So hot in here. So this is our garden. That's our garden. Can you see it? That's our garden. And we have 3 cars. That's our cars. So okay, guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my videos. Bye.